Rolling.
What a beautiful face I've found in this place that is circling all around the sun. And what a beautiful dream that could flash on the screen in the blink of an eye and be gone from me. Soft and sweet, let me hold it close and keep it here with me. And one day we will die, and our ashes will fly in an aeroplane over the sea. But for now we are young, let us lay in the sun and count every beautiful thing we can see. Long to be in the arms of all I'm keeping here with me. Now I remember you, I would push my fingers through your mouth to make those muscles move that made your voice so smooth and sweet. Now we all keep where we don't know, all secrets sleep in a winter clothes with one you loved so long ago. Now he don't even know his name. What a beautiful life we've found here tonight. There's music that sounds from the street. There are lights in the clouds and there's ghosts all around. Yeah, her voice as it's rolling and ringing through me. Soft and sweet, how the notes all bend and reach above the tree. What a beautiful face I found in this place. It is circling all around the sun. When we meet on the cloud, I'll be laughing out loud. I'll be laughing with everyone that I see. Can't believe just how strange it is to be anything at all.